In July 64 AD, the mighty city of Rome was engulfed by an inferno that burned for 6 days and 7 nights. Thousands fled. Entire districts vanished beneath the flames. An emperor was blamed, and a mystery was born. This is the story of the Great Fire of Rome.
Beyond the scroll, the Great Fire of Rome.
Before the flames, there was Rome, the greatest city on earth, a city of power, wealth, and ambition. Its people believed their empire would last forever. More than 1 million people lived, worked, and dreamed within these walls. Rome never slept. Every street echoed with life, commerce, and the heartbeat of an empire. Then, on a warm summer night in AD 64, history changed forever. A single spark, small enough to ignore, became impossible to stop. A single spark became a catastrophe. The flames raced through Rome's crowded districts, destroying homes, temples, and the heart of the empire itself. Thousands fled into the darkness, carrying only what they could save. In one night, countless Romans lost their homes, their memories, and their lives as they knew them. As the flames consumed street after street, panic spread across Rome. Families fled into the darkness, carrying only what they could hold. Parents shielded their children, the elderly struggled to keep up, and countless people were forced to abandon the homes their families had lived in for generations. In a single night, lives were changed forever as one of history's greatest cities disappeared beneath fire, smoke, and falling ash. As Rome burned, suspicion turned toward Emperor Nero. Ancient accounts created a mystery that historians still debate nearly 2,000 years later. From the ashes, Rome began rebuilding. The disaster changed the city's design, its people, and the course of Roman history forever. The Great Fire of Rome was more than a disaster. It became a story of power, survival, and mystery. A story that continues to echo through history. The Great Fire of Rome did more than destroy a city. It changed the course of history. From the ashes emerged a new Rome, rebuilt stronger, while the questions surrounding Emperor Nero and the fire itself have echoed through the centuries. Some mysteries are never truly solved. They are simply passed from one generation to the next. And perhaps that is why the Great Fire of Rome still captivates the world today. Thank you for watching. This is Beyond the Scroll, where history is brought back to life, one story at a time. If you like what we do, kindly support us by tapping the subscribe button. Thanks.